Letting go of someone you love deeply is one of the hardest things to do, but it's necessary for healing and growth. While it may seem impossible right now, with time and intentional steps, you can move on and rebuild your life. In this video, we'll explore the best and most reliable ways to forget your past partner and heal from heartbreak. 1. Acknowledge your pain. The first step in moving on is acknowledging your emotions. You can't heal from what you don't face. Understand that it's okay to feel hurt, sad, angry, or confused. Suppressing these feelings will only delay the process of letting go. 2. Allow yourself to grieve. Grieving the end of a relationship is natural and necessary. Whether the relationship was long or short, you invested emotionally, and the loss is real. Give yourself permission to feel the full spectrum of emotions. Don't rush through this phase. Healing takes time. Cut off contact, at least for a while. One of the most effective ways to forget your ex is by cutting off contact both physically and digitally. Block them on social media, avoid checking their profiles, and resist the urge to reach out. Constant interaction only makes it harder to move on. 4. Reflect on the lessons learned. Instead of dwelling on the loss, shift your focus to what you've learned from the relationship. What did it teach you about love, yourself, and your needs? Reflecting on these lessons will help you avoid repeating patterns in future relationships. 5. Rebuild your identity. When you're in a relationship, it's easy to lose sight of your individuality. Now is the time to rediscover who you are outside of the relationship. Engage in hobbies, take up new interests, and focus on personal growth. This will help you rebuild your self-esteem and confidence. 6. Surround yourself with support. Reach out to friends, family, or even support groups. Being around people who love and care for you will remind you that you're not alone. Sometimes talking to someone who understands can provide immense relief. 7. Stop romanticizing the past. It's common to look back on a relationship and remember only the good moments, but this can prevent you from moving forward. Instead of idealizing your ex, remind yourself of the reasons the relationship ended. Be realistic about the flaws and issues that existed. 8. Establish new boundaries. If cutting contact permanently isn't an option, especially in cases of shared custody or working together, set firm emotional boundaries. Limit conversations to necessary topics, and avoid diving into emotional or personal discussions. 9. Engage in self-care. Taking care of your mental, emotional, and physical health is crucial during this time. Engage in activities that relax and rejuvenate you, like exercise, meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature. These practices can help clear your mind and improve your mood. 10. Practice forgiveness. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or excusing hurtful behavior, but it does mean releasing yourself from the anger and resentment that can hold you back. By forgiving your ex and yourself, you free up emotional space to heal and move forward. 11. Focus on the present moment. Often, we get stuck in the past because we dwell on what could have been. Shift your focus to the present moment. Practice mindfulness techniques, like deep breathing or meditation, to ground yourself and bring attention to the here and now. 12. Create new memories. Fill your life with new positive experiences. Travel, try a new hobby, or meet new people. The more positive experiences you create, the less room there will be for painful memories of the past. 13. Take social media breaks. Constantly scrolling through social media can worsen the healing process, especially if you're exposed to reminders of your ex. Consider taking a break from social media to focus on your real-life experiences without distractions. 14. Avoid rebound relationships. Jumping into a new relationship before you've healed from the previous one can lead to more heartbreak. Instead of looking for someone else to fill the void, spend time focusing on your own happiness and personal goals. 15. Set goals for your future. One of the best ways to forget your ex is by focusing on your future. Set personal, professional, and emotional goals that inspire you to move forward. Having a clear vision for your future will make it easier to leave the past behind. 16. Seek professional help if necessary. If the pain of your past relationship feels overwhelming and you're struggling to move on, consider seeking help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide valuable tools and techniques to help you heal and rebuild. 17. Don't let a relationship define you. Remember, your worth is not determined by whether or not you're in a relationship. You are a whole, valuable person on your own, and this chapter of your life is an opportunity to rediscover that. 18. Practice gratitude. Focus on the things in your life that bring you joy and fulfillment. Practicing gratitude can shift your mindset from one of loss to one of abundance. Write down the things you're thankful for each day, no matter how small. 19. Be patient with yourself. Healing from heartbreak doesn't happen overnight. Be patient with yourself and give yourself grace during this time. Everyone's healing journey is different, so don't compare your progress to others. 20. Trust that time heals. As cliche as it sounds, time does heal all wounds. Every day, you'll get a little bit stronger, and one day you'll realize that you're no longer weighed down by the past. Trust the process, and believe in your ability to move forward. Conclusion. Moving on from a past relationship isn't easy, but it is possible. By focusing on your healing, rebuilding your life, and giving yourself the time you need, you'll eventually be able to let go and move forward with peace. Remember, your future holds many beautiful moments, and your heart will heal with time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more advice on personal growth and emotional well-being.